Now that we know the difference between a fact and a dimension table, let's take a quick look at the dataset we'll be using throughout this course. First, we'll be importing a sales fact table, which contains a summary of sales from each month and each category of each store of our retail organization for the last 3 years, 2017 through 2019. That will allow us to create some simple visualizations. Then we'll add a date dimension table, which will allow us to slice and dice more accurately by period. Then by importing a store dimension table, this will give us additional information about each store, such as the store type or the store location. And that location will allow us to map sales onto a map. We'll use the category dimension to allow us to draw a tree map with areas highlighting which sales come from which departments. And finally, we'll import a second fact table, which will give us information about the wages, rent, and target sales associated with each store. This will allow us to complete our P&L summary by displaying the indirect expenses associated to each store. And just remember, fact tables are those where we measure something that happens in the business, such as a sale, or a payment of wages or rent. Those fact tables have attributes which describe the sales event, such as the store, category, or date, describing where, in what category, or when the transactions happened. And finally, the dimension tables add description to those attributes. For example, a given date is contained within a particular year or quarter. A given store has a particular size or type or location, and a category belongs to a particular department or product group.